when you call your son and you can't get hold of him, and then you cannot even trace their telephones. You know, when you are told the cell phone's lost a signal and the tracker cannot be found, it becomes difficult. You don't know what to expect. You don't know what really happened or what transpired. You hope maybe they are sleeping. They'll come back to you when they wake up, and you keep on pestering, you keep on phoning, and then eventually you hear the news that there's a possibility that they were hijacked or something, and then you start worrying what exactly happened. And then after some time, you hear that the bodies have been found, and they are no more. And, you start asking yourself questions, what exactly happened? And you don't have answers. You're relying on the police to tell you. And then you get bits of information from the police, you get bits of information from the social media, and you become more confused. But sorry about the noise. But as you find their bodies in the car, then you kind of find closure in all this, and then you hope eventually you'll get a full report from the police as to what exactly transpired. Look, people expect you to have answers when you have questions. People go to social media, people who are not even qualified to do investigations, and they tell you their opinion or their view. Now, the police are giving you what they think has happened or what they are investigating, and then the public out there is already giving you answers. Some false answers, some answers that give you false hope, and then you end up being in a limbo, not knowing what to expect. That I think you have photos that are cool. You must look at all the photos that you have there. You won't find a photo where the police is not smiling. He was a jolly person. If I have to put it in Zulu.
Yeah.
Always smiling, always, being the middleman, wanting peace, and et cetera, et cetera. As far as Umsebenzi work is concerned, Kulu followed in his father's footsteps. His father was a captain. His late father was a captain. He passed on 3 years ago. May he soul rest in peace. And he wanted to be like the father. There was a video there circulating where Kulu is sitting in the car, and then 3 flying squad cars are passing by, and they have him on video saying, "Hey, you see when they're passing like this, it's like, I feel like following the Spanish Spanish Sam. That tells you more about how he loved his job. I've heard now through the grapevine or through the media, which the police have now changed. There is no more case here, hijacking and kidnapping. A case here, culpable homicide. I'm happy at least the police are doing something about it. Yeah. But knowing Umntwana wami and knowing the girlfriend, I don't know based on cool and there were we're talking about police officers, we're talking about constables who are trained. Yeah. I'm ruling out personally the fact that they were driving a speed and they were negligent, taking into consideration the time abasuke ngayo eBloemfontein to Grasmere.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoswasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Imndeni wa-Constable Linda Xebekulu uyakhuluma again. Uyasho ukuthi kubuhlungu kakhulu lokuvelele ama-constable amathathu, and uyasho futhi ukuthi uLinda Xebekulu uthethe etinyathelo untaba bakhe because his father was also a constable undlule emhlabeni at and uthi uLinda umdescribe njengomuntu lo bekahlala smile. He was a jolly person, bekawuthanda futhi nemsebenzi wabo. Uthi yena ufuna kwala ukuthi leti nkulumo letikhulunywa abantu ukuthi they were driving speed lesi asetulu kakhulu, they were negligent. Uthi yena nje akakuboni lokho because uthi labantu laba abantu bemthetho, so there is no way bangabe ba-driver speed lesikhulu, considering na the fact yokuthi isikhathi labasuke ngase kulo mfoteni isikhathi le ngodi yendeke ngaso, uthi akubonakali kusimo sibukana nesimo sokuthi beba-driver speed lesi setulu. Uyasho nje ukuthi at least now bayade ukuthi kwendakaleni, because cala bebangade ukuthi mhlampe balila baweva amafoni or kwendakalani. They were just so in denial ukuthi mhlampe kungabe kwendeka ingodi or bangabe mhlampe bathonjiwe. So uyakhuluma nje about the kind of a person ucebe khulu wazi nangokuthi finally sebayitholile i-closure as umndeni. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Good.